So do you want to make money online? If yes, then you should probably look into affiliate marketing. Now with affiliate marketing, you'll be able to earn commission online by just recommending somebody else's products, right? You will be recommending a third-party product. So let's say I'm an owner, I produce wallets, I sell wallets, and you become my affiliate. And when you recommend a wallet to your friend or family and they buy it, you will be able to earn commission. And the advantage of affiliate marketing is so huge because you do not need to do a lot of things. You do not need a huge capital to start. With affiliate marketing, basically everybody can start for free. And with affiliate marketing, you do not need to stack up a huge inventory of products. And you do not need to deal with the product delivery, the refund, and the customer service and all that hassles, because all of this will be handled by the product owner. And your job as an affiliate marketer is to share and to recommend good products to your family, friends, and your followers. Alright? So how can you actually start doing affiliate marketing? Right? You can start doing affiliate marketing by finding a good product which you want to promote, right? When you have a good product that you want to promote, you can then sign up to become an affiliate. You can join their affiliate program. After you join the affiliate program, they will give you a unique affiliate link. When somebody else click through your unique affiliate link and make a purchase, you would then earn a commission. There are so many products out there you can actually join as an affiliate and promote and make a commission. You can promote physical products like high-ticket products or maybe digital products. But you do not want to make the same mistake that many people are actually making, is that they promote too many products. When you just started out, you want to focus on just one product, the one that you think is really good and is really delivering real value to your followers. And when you choose a product to promote, there's like so many options out there. There are so many products you can actually promote. So which one you should go for, right? Some people, they like e-commerce, they like physical products. If you are into physical products, you can find and promote physical products if you like it. But the thing is that you have to know, if you promote physical products, the commission is very low. You'll be looking at maybe 1 to 3% or maybe 5%. To me, I do not like to promote physical products because the commission is kind of low, and I prefer promote digital products. I'll talk about it later. And if you're into promoting physical products, I have a bad news for you, is that Amazon affiliate program just lowered their commission structures, which means that they pay much less now compared to those days. So I think that you should take my advice and start promoting digital products, something like memberships, software, trainings, courses, and things like that. Because if you promote digital products, you'll be able to get a much higher commission. You'll be looking at something like 30%, 50%, and some digital products, they actually pay up to 70% commissions. If the product, the price is $100 and you promote it at 70% commission, you'll be able to get $70 from promoting it. Digital products, they can actually give more commission to their affiliates because digital products generally have low overhead running costs and lower variable costs. And to me, if you're just started up, I will highly recommend you to promote digital products that actually pay recurring commission, something like a membership products, which people have to pay a monthly fees to actually stay in it. And my favorite is to actually promote software or tools online, right? So when people actually sign up every single month, you will be able to get paid. So you do the selling one time, but you were able to get a commission every single month. And this is very important because if you do this, if you choose to promote products that gives recurring commission, your income will be able to grow. And this is the way how you scale your online business. Let's say the first month you are able to get 10 customers, right? You get commission from these 10 customers. And then when it comes to month 2, you get another 10 new customers, but you will be able to get commission from 20 customers because the first customers you acquired in the first month, they stays, and you still continue to get commission from that. And when it comes to the third month, when you get another 10 new customers, you'll be able to get commission for 30 people because you get commission from the first 10 people in the first month, and then the second 10 people in the second month, and now in the third month you get another 10 clients. You'll be able to get commission for that as well. So this is the way. I hope you get the idea now. So every month, although you only get 10 customers, but because the customers stays and your customer base will slowly and continue to grow bigger, like 40, 50, and 100 and over that, right? So you get the idea. Your commission paycheck will snowball and it will become bigger and bigger as well. Okay, so you want to make sure you promote a high quality products where people will stay using it. So this way you can start earning recurring commission, not just a quick small one-time commission, right? And with this business model, if you promote recurring commission digital products, you'll be able to scale and you will earn real passive income for many months to come. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, the next thing you need to know is that you want to promote something that has free trial, or at least they have a very low entry point, right? So this will make like promote the products become so much easier, because you only need to get them to sign up for the free trial or to pay small sum of money to test it out instead of paying a huge amount of money in the first place. Once they went through the free trials, if they see the product is good and worth the money, then the product will just sell itself, and that's how you get a commission. Let's do a quick recap here. You want to promote digital products, high quality ones, so that the customers will stay every month and it will continue to give recurring passive income to you. And second, it should have a free trial or maybe a low price point. Okay, so the next question is, what type of products fits this criteria the best? And like I said, the answer is my favorite, the online software. So for example, like sales funnel builder, website builder, e-commerce solution like Shopify, like email marketing software like ConvertKit and things like that, and maybe like Facebook Messenger like ManyChat, keyword research tools. There are just so many more, right? You want to promote those type of tools that people, once they pay for it, they will very likely to stay on it and continue to allow you to earn recurring commission. Okay, it's not hard to find these type of affiliate programs that gives recurring commission. You just need to Google it. If you want to promote software or online tools, one of the best way you can start is to look at the software review site. Let me show you the example. So let's Google like software review site. So as you can see, you can find a huge list of software review sites, and they shows you different kinds of software in different industry. There's a huge list of it. Once you find a good one, right, that is in the niche or industry you want to serve, then you just need to go on and check out their affiliate program. Do they actually pay recurring income? And the good thing about this software review site is that you can see reviews from real users, so you know how good it is. Is it of high quality or is it of low quality? So you want to find those with high quality one, and then you want to promote it. This will save you a lot of research time. Okay, it is not hard to find a good affiliate products to begin with. Once you join the affiliate program and you get affiliate link, so this is what most people do, and they do it wrongly. They just go on and spam their link across the internet. They spam it in social media, their Facebook, forums, other people's blog, and they spam it on other people's YouTube channel. Most people just want to make money online quick, but the quickest way often means it's not sustainable, and it often means no money. So you want to do it another way round instead, and you want to focus on the long-term strategy when it comes to affiliate marketing. You want to create an affiliate sales funnel, right? So if this is the first time you heard about sales funnel, I know the term sales funnel can seem like something very complicated and a hassle, but no worries, just continue to listen to me, and I guarantee it is not going to be as complicated or as hard as you have imagined. So affiliate sales funnel is actually one of the simplest sales funnel around, which can help you to achieve success with affiliate marketing. This affiliate sales funnel I'm talking about is just basically consists of 2 pages of sales funnel, and they are designed to help you to do 2 things. The first thing is to help you to capture leads, and the second thing is to help you to build trust before you send the audience to the affiliate page. So let me show you how easy it is to create an affiliate sales funnel. You need 2 pages. The first page is the headline of what people will be getting if they sign up with their email address. You can use this golden formula to craft your headline, like how to solve their most burning problem, or how to achieve their most desired goal, okay, without the things they hate to endure in specific days or time. Tell them what kind of problems or what kind of goals you can help them to achieve. And then once they put in their email address here, you will then redirect them to the second page. And the second page, you want to continue to deliver value to them and teach them exactly how to solve the problems by using the affiliate tool. Once they can visualize it, they will have confidence that they will be able to do it too. At the end, after they have finished watching the video, you let them know that if they want to solve their problems with the tools which you are using, the good news is that there is currently a free trial for the tool. They can actually test the tool itself for free, and all they need to do is to click a button below the video and to start their trial. So once they click it, then they will be redirected to the affiliate page. They can sign up through your affiliate link, and you can start to make commission if they make a real purchase. So the first page of this sales funnel is to create curiosity, and then to help you to capture email address. That's it. Now if they got busy and they didn't watch the video on the second page, or maybe they have watched the video on the second page, but because the trust level is not high enough to get them to take action, no worries, because he is already in your email list, and you have the opportunity to follow up with them on autopilot with your email campaign. And then when they go to the second page, the purpose of the second page is to give them real value, to help build trust and to warm up the leads before sending them to the real affiliate page. So because you have warmed up the leads, they'll be more likely to click and sign up for the free trial and eventually purchase the affiliate products. So if they do not convert the first time after they watch your video, like I said, you can continue to deliver more value to them via your emails, and you can talk about the products from a different angle, and you can remind them about the free trial again. So that's how you do it. It is really important to have an affiliate funnel to capture email first before sending people to the affiliate page. All the affiliate marketing pros, all of them are doing the same thing. They always capture email first. If you do not do this, you'll end up wasting a lot of traffic. Even if they do not buy the first software or the products that you're promoting, you can always promote them. You can always recommend them another products in the future and still make money from it, because you now have built yourself an email list. You can control the traffic. You own the traffic. Whenever you find a better, maybe another alternative products in the future, you can always direct all this traffic, all these people in your email list to the new products, okay? And you'll be able to make commissions again and again, okay? So this is a long-term strategy. If you want to be successful in affiliate marketing, you want to build up a list. Let's go to the next step. Once you have picked a product to promote, you have made an affiliate funnel for it, it's time for you to get to the next step, which is to bring traffic to the funnel. Now, there are so many free traffic methods out there, like blogging, YouTube, like Facebook, Instagram, forums, on and on. Now, as long as you know how to create content, you can get free traffics. And my favorite way to get free traffic is blogging and YouTube. Facebook is another good one. So with this, free traffic channel, as long as you can create good content that people want, you'll be able to get traffic. And then once you get the traffic, you can redirect them to the affiliate funnel you have built, right? I notice a lot of people are struggling with content creation, and one of the biggest problems they always have is that they do not know what kind of content, what kind of topics they can create. What type of topics you can create for yourself, for your affiliate products, it's very easy. I'm going to share with you the easiest way, in fact, the easiest free way to find endless topics you can create. So if you're brand new and you want to create good content that can deliver value and build trust so that you can redirect them later to the affiliate products, then you can leverage tools. These tools is called Answer the Public. So this is the website. Again, it's called Answer the Public. What this website does is that after you key in your topic or maybe your industry main topics or categories, they will pop up a list of questions that your audience is looking for. Just put in the questions or the main topics and boom, you get a huge list of questions your audience is seeking. There's like more than 50, maybe 100 questions in your list right now, and you can start creating content around it. How easy it is, right? There are tons of topics you can write about. If you want to go a little bit more advanced, you can use keyword research tool. Keyword research tool tells you what are the terms or phrases people are actually searching for in Google. Now, if you know what people are looking for, then you can create content that is in demand. People are looking for it already, and you create content to satisfy their needs. So there are plenty of keyword research tools out there, but if you are just started out, you can start with the most beginner-friendly one. And I would actually recommend a keyword research tool called KeySearch. They have like 1 month free trial, and like I said, it is super beginner-friendly. Just let me show you how it works. Just enter the keyword you want to learn more. A huge list of keywords will show up here, and then you can check the keyword difficulty score. So when you look at this, if the score is too high, it means that it is too competitive. A lot of people are actually creating the same type of content and fighting for the same keywords. So for keywords that is too competitive, you want to avoid that. And for beginners, I would recommend you to go for keywords difficulty less than 30. Okay, so here you go. You can use Answer the Public to find tons of burning questions your audience is seeking, and you can create content around that. And if you want to go a little bit more advanced, you can invest in a keyword research tool. You can pay and use it for a month and then do all the keyword research, and then after that you can cancel it and just focus on creating content and attracting free traffic to your channel and redirect them to your affiliate funnel. Okay, so a quick recap of everything you have learned today. First, you want to find a digital product that is good quality, that once people have signed up, they will stay with it. And then you want to find the digital products that can pay you recurring commissions every single month, right? Second step, you want to build an affiliate sales funnel, for it. And number 3, you want to drive traffic to the affiliate sales funnel by creating tons of useful content. Okay, so it's not hard to do this. There's a lot of these actually require just one-time work. So once you found the product and once you have actually created the affiliate funnel, all you need to focus is only to create content after content. Okay, not only the new content you create will bring in visitors to your funnel this month, but the old content you created previously, maybe last month, last 2 months, will still going to bring in visitors to your funnel. So when you have more and more content created over time, the free traffic you will get will just continue to increase, and you will get more leads and sales over time. In the beginning, things will be slow, but once you put in more effort, you will start to see tractions, you get momentum, and you will start to see rapid growth in affiliate marketing. The best way to learn something is to actually do it. So I would recommend you to start your affiliate marketing journey today. And the faster you start, the faster you will make mistakes and earn real experience. Remember, you do not have to be good to start, but you have to start to be good. Now, I spent a lot of time to plan and create this video. I hope it is useful for you. There is so much I want to share with you, but I just can't cram everything in one video. If you want to learn what is the best tool I'm using to run all my marketing campaigns, then check out the links below in the description area. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more cool videos on sales funnel and affiliate marketing. Once again, this is Darren, and I wish you all the best in everything you do in life. See you next time.